It is not always necessary to look for a tour in Komoot or to plan your own tour. Maybe you want to use the GPS file of your GPS tracker, or you have found an interesting tour somewhere on the internet and want to explore it yourself. To do this, you can import and export GPS files in Komoot. Hello, I'm Thomas, your outdoor tech instructor. I have many years of experience in tutorials for navigation and electronic fitness gear. In my German channel Harzer Bergwald, I have been explaining the use of apps, devices and wearables since 2015. This step-by-step lesson is about the import and export of GPS files in Komoot. To save you time when searching in this video, I have divided into the following chapters: the import, the export, and converting unsupported GPS files. Komoot gives you the option of importing tours via GPS files on your browser. This allows you to use tours from other devices and sources to plan tours or save activities. You can find this option in the main menu behind the plus button on the right hand side. If you click it, a submenu opens, then choose Import GPS file. Another click will take you to this option. Komoot supports 3 GPS files: GPX, FIT and TCX files. Now let's import a GPS file. To do this, click on Upload File, search for the folder in which the file is saved, mark the file and click on Open at the bottom right or double click on the file. Did you do the tour or do you want to plan to use it later? You will make this selection next. The upper option creates a planned tour. If there are deviations from the ways on the map, you can stick to the original route or match route to known ways. If your tour includes unknown ways, off-grid sections are shown dotted in the route. Remember my tutorial about the off-grid planning? In the top right corner, or look in the video description for the link. The second option adds the track as a completed tour to your list of activities. You can always edit the planning and the tour you have completed later. On the smartphone, go to your profile in the app and tap on the plus symbol behind Tours and then select Import File. In iOS, you can also tap on the plus symbol in the right corner of the profile, then on More in the lower right corner, and then on Import a GPS file in the middle. How to navigate a planet tour in the app, I'll show you in the video at the top right. The link is in the video description. You can also export files from Komoot for use in other apps or on GPS devices. Go to your profile on the desktop, then go to Planet or Completed Tours. Open your tour and click on Export to GPS device. The download of the GPX file starts automatically. To download a file, you must have purchased this region. You will find the file in your download folder. In the app, you go to your profile, to Planet or Completed Tours. Open the tour, tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner and select Export GPX file. The option can be particularly interesting for you if you are looking for tours in the Komoot collections or tours by users. You can see the tour search of Komoot in the video at the top right. The link to the video can also be found in the video description. In some cases, it can happen that you have a file for a route or track that is not supported by Komoot. This can be the case, for example, with files that you have from Google My Maps, Google delivered KML files. You can convert unsupported files. There are various ways of doing this. Some of them I would recommend to you. Garmin Basecamp and GPS Babel are free apps. Another browser-based option is the AllTrails converter. Simply open at alltrails.com/converter and convert to the desired file. From now on, you won't have any problems importing or exporting GPS files in Komoot. If the video was helpful to you, then I look forward to your feedback. Give me a thumbs up and comment on my video. I'm Thomas, your AutoTech instructor, and I'm looking forward to the next time. Bye!